Okay everybody, this is just a video how-to in response to an issue that a number of you are having where your email signature is not formatted the way that you were expecting, and this is especially the case in replies. So here's how it might look. Let's say that I get this email. I sent one to myself, but you would probably get this from someone outside the organization, and I want to reply to it. So I'll click reply, and you'll notice when I click reply that my email signature is not formatted the way I had set it up. None of my fonts are different colors, the italics and all that is gone. I don't have the Wayland Academy seal and logo right here, and just doesn't look the way I wanted it to. So the reason that's the case is because whoever sent you this email forwarded the email using something called plain text, and plain text does not support a lot of the formatting that we use in the signature. Plain text only supports this very basic formatting where it's black and white, coloring, not a lot of font variety, and so forth. And you'll notice that when I'm working with plain text, I don't have a lot of options for modifying the font itself. It's just kind of very, very, very basic. So what I want to do in this case to put my signature in the right way is first reformat the email so that it's formatted in HTML, which is what is the optimal formatting. So to do that, I'm going to go up to Format Text. When I'm on Format Text towards the left, you'll see I have three options. Okay, we're on plain text right now, rich text, which is a little too Microsoft specific for what we like, and then HTML, which, as I said, is the best choice for what we're trying to do. So we'll change to HTML, and as soon as you do that, you'll notice that all your options for formatting your font reappear, and you have a lot more latitude with what you can do. The second thing I have to do is to change the signature, and the trouble is the signature doesn't automatically change back to all the cool formatting right away. It needs you to sort of do that for it. So what I'm going to do is just highlight the existing signature, and then I'll just hit my backspace key and delete it. Now I'm going to reinsert the signature by going up here to Insert. Under Insert, I'm going to select Signature, and then that will give me a list of all the signatures. I'll choose the signature I want to use, which in my case is Cleary Signature, and that puts in the signature, and now it looks the way that I want it to look. So I can now type my reply, and the person on the other end is going to get that signature the way we want it to look. And now it's sent, and in a second it'll show up in my inbox, and then once it shows up, you'll see that it looks the way that we anticipate it will. And there you go. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, use this when you're replying and you want to have that consistency with your signature.